How are you all? How is the weather today? Is it cold? How about your family? Do it safe? Feeling good? Today I am going to introduce a new chapter, chapter 3, Advanced Formatting Features of MS Word. So, today we have the IT class in your home itself. It's a practical section. Listen to me and do what I am doing in the computer. So, all of you sit in front of the computer and listen to me what I am doing, and you have to repeat the same thing in your home with help of your computer. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's begin with first paragraph line spacing.
Line spacing. Line spacing refers to the vertical space between two adjacent lines of a paragraph. There are options available for different line spacing in MS Word. Select the paragraph in which you want to change the line spacing and then follow the steps. Line spacing refers to the vertical space between two adjacent lines of a paragraph. There are options available for different line spacing in MS Word. Select the paragraph in which you want to change the line spacing and then follow the steps. See, this is a Microsoft Word document. Microsoft Word document. See, Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, Reference tab, Mailing tab, Review tab and View tab. These all are the tabs. Home, Insert, Page Layout, Reference, Mailing, Review and View. These all are the tabs. Click on the Home tab. Click on the Home tab. See, Home tab, click. That time show this line spacing option, paragraph line spacing option. See, line spacing 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0. Line spacing option. All of you see these options: 1.0, 1.15, 1.5. 2.0, 2.5, 3.0. These are the line spacing options. First, select this paragraph. Select this paragraph. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, better known as Mahatma Gandhi, was born on October 2, 1869. See, select this paragraph. First, select this paragraph. Then click on the Home tab. Then see this option, paragraph option. Say line spacing. See the difference, 1.15. That time difference. See, then next 1.5. See, next time 2.5. See, the line spacing is coming. Line spacing. See, these are the line spacing option. Again click 1.5. Then 2.5, then 1.0. These are the line spacing option. All of you understood this line spacing option? These are the line spacing options. Next, paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing refers to the vertical space before and after a paragraph. To change paragraph spacing, select the paragraph and then follow the steps. Paragraph spacing refers to the vertical space before and after a paragraph. To change paragraph spacing, select the paragraph and follow the step. See, same option, home page, click it, then select the paragraph. These three paragraphs are selected. Then home page. Then see this paragraph option. See this paragraph option, same line spacing option. That time see add space before paragraph, add space after paragraph. All of you see these two options. Click on add space after paragraph. That time show after paragraph space is coming. Then next click on add before paragraph. See before paragraph of line space is coming. Then again click remove space after paragraph. Then remove space before paragraph. These are the paragraph options. Paragraph options. All of you understood these two options? Next, indents. Indents are used to set the starting and end points for lines in a paragraph. There are four types of indents. Indents are used to select the starting and ending point for lines in a paragraph. There are four types of indents. Indents are used to select the starting and end points for line in a paragraph. There are four types of indent. Left indent, right indent, first line indent, hanging indent. Left indent set the starting point of all lines of a paragraph. Right indent set the end point of all lines of a paragraph. First line indent set the starting point of the first line of a paragraph. Hanging indent set the starting point of all the line except the first line. See, left, right, first line, hanging indent. These are the four types of indent. Left, right, first line and hanging indent. Left indent set the starting point of all lines of a paragraph. Right indent set the end point of all lines of a paragraph. First line indent sets the starting point of the first line of a paragraph. Hanging indent set the starting point and of all line except the first line. See, indent means this. Click on the home tab. That time show this paragraph option. See this align test left, align test right, center. These are the indents. See, click on this, right click, right click, that time show paragraph. Right click, see this paragraph option. All of you see, wait, select this paragraph, then click on right button and then see this paragraph option. See left, right, see left, right, 0, that time 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, that time show left indent. See the difference. All of you see 2. That time OK, press OK. That time see this paragraph move to the left side. Then again click this paragraph option. Right, click on right. See right click, that time paragraph show this type. Then again click this paragraph option, line spacing option, 1.5 line, double line, at least, exactly, multiple. Then again change line spacing option, again change 0.0, right indent, change 0. Then special, none, first line, hanging, See left, right. Okay, then okay, again change this. Next option, click on paragraph option, show this special option. Special option, click first line. First line, only first line is changed. Okay, see first line difference, all paragraph first line is changing. Next, first line indent, set the starting point of the first line of a paragraph. First line is changing. Next option is hanging. Okay, hanging, click. That time first line is not changed, other lines are changing. Hanging indent, set the starting point of all line except the first line of the paragraph. First line is not changed and other lines are changing. These are the hanging options. Next, again select paragraph, none option. That time no change. Next, see this paragraph option. See again this bullets. Bullet means 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Mark 1 2 3. See this option, align left. See center, right. These are the differences.
First of all, you have to read your textbook 3 times. Then you have to repeat what we have did at the first section. That is a practical section that we did at the first. Then if you have any doubts or queries, you could just contact your computer miss in WhatsApp or just have a text message. Okay, so now we will conclude the section. Before that, I will give you a worksheet based on the lesson which we did today. So, all of you take out your book with written question. Answer these questions. How do you start MS PowerPoint? How do you start MS PowerPoint? Next, write true or false. First one, MS PowerPoint comes with only 2 built-in themes. Okay, I think all of you understood this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.